My name is Rachel Gumob. I am here to present again my system entitled of Employee Management System. So, ang Public Employment Management, set title niya is Management Employee. Set size is 1,050. Height is 600. Set default close operation except on close. Set location relative is null. Set background, new color, 280, 80. Panel set layout is null. So, sa atong table na ay employee ID, employee name, employee position. Sa employee position ay kapilian nga manager, staff, o clerk. Then, employee DOB. Sunod is kanaang employee gender. Sa employee gender na ay kapilian nga male, female, or others. Employee phone, employee education. So, pag ato siyang i-run, makita diri ang iyahang so ang employee ID niya is 1, 2, 3. For example, name. So, female. Diri as employee position, mamili ka kung manager, staff, or clerk. For example, pilihan na to ang staff. Phone number. High school is bachelor. Filipino. Diri natay kapilan nga Filipino, American, or others. Then, ato din siyang i-add. So, makita nato diri ang atong gi-fill up diri sa mga tables. So, that's all. Thank you.